Ready?
You want some grits?
Want some grits? Peanuts.
You like it?
Is she tasty?
She did a big smile.
I'm coming back. You little devil. I see you. I see you.
Come and get it.
Now hold the spoon away from her. See if she
I'm
will.
gonna try to get over here where she won't turn her head that way.
She's going cross-eyed trying to see it.
I think she does.
Gotta push them off in her mouth. You can't really get them.
Well, ew! Don't use your hands. She's sucking them off. Watch. She sucked them off.
Get them. Get them. Kind of get them on the ends so they kind of fall off.
Yeah, just get it
Do you
right on
like
the
that
tip
beautiful?
Let me try to appease the food critics. All right.
Can you get off? There you go. Suck it off.
See her? She's like sucking on it. Watch.
See, I don't know how to operate this spoon. This is a new.